2021 Toyota Highlander. How to remove the maintenance required from your 2021 Toyota Highlander. Okay, I'll see you on the next side of this video. See you soon.
So to get the display off the dashboard from the 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 display, to get the maintenance requirement off, you start by punching the down button and you'll see the display icons light up one by one. So you continue punching it down until it highlights the gear. If you look closely, you will see a gear shaped icon. That's the one you want. Then when you get there, then you go ahead and press the right button to highlight the icon that you want, or the display that you want, to change the maintenance required or schedule maintenance. As you can see, that icon also has a gear looking display on it. To get to that icon now, read what it said. It says there, just hold down the OK until the settings display show. So now I hold the OK button down. I hold it down and then it goes to a different function. And if you read them and you look down to this third one, you see it says schedule maintenance. Then you go down to the schedule maintenance by pressing the down button. So let's go ahead and do so. Now it reached to the schedule maintenance. Below it, you said push OK to reset. So you will push the OK to reset. So now you can go ahead and do that. I won't do mine because I already changed the oil and I already set it to the date I want it to come up and tell me maintenance required or filter need changing. So to get back all of that, you can punch the back button and your display come back to where you want it to go at the gear icon, and then you can go back up with the other one, the up button. Go back with the up button and you go back up to where you want it to be to show your display. There you go. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, or you didn't understand something, or something slipped you and you want to go back, you're free to go back and listen and watch, and then you'll get it perfectly just like me. Thanks for watching. Please share or like this video.